swim shorts. (1186) Straight waistband. Line up front and back top edges of waistband to form a straight line. Measure through the center of the band from edge to edge. 1191 Waist relaxed. Line up top edges of waist. With elastic straightened and relaxed, measure at top from edge to edge.
70470. Contour waist at top edge, tape flat. Line up front and back waist edges so they are even, with tape measure laying flat on top of garment. Measure along the curve at the top edge of the band from edge to edge. 70473. Contour waist at bottom of band, tape flat. Line up front and back waist edges so they are even, with tape measure laying flat on top of waistband. Measure along the bottom of the band from edge to edge.
1215 Low hip 3-point measurement. With waist falling in its natural position, lay the garment flat across the hip. At specified hip position, measure from side edge to center front to side edge with pleats open. Top edge of tape should be placed at the low hip position. 1258 Bottom opening straight. Measure straight at bottom of garment edge to edge with vents closed. On uneven hems, measure straight at the shortest hem. 1252 Leg opening along curve. Line up front and back edges. Measure along outside edge from top of leg opening to natural fold of crotch with tape on its edge. 1356 Front rise to top edge. Measure from top edge of waist along front rise to inseam joint. This measurement includes the waistband. Refer to how to measure HTM guidelines for garments with fell stitching. 1358 Front rise to waist seam. Measure from bottom of waistband along rise seam to inseam joint. 1357 Back rise to top edge. Measure from top edge of waist along back rise to inseam joint. This measurement includes the waistband. Refer to HTM guidelines for garments with fell stitching. 1359 Back rise to waist seam. Measure from bottom of waistband along back rise to inseam joint. Refer to HTM guidelines for garments with fell stitching at the rise. 1204 Minimum waist stretched. With waist fully extended and opened, measure from edge to edge. Measurement should not be smaller than the measurement on the garment specification sheet, GSS.